Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, his Facebook Ads, a big ad certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, how do you increase ad relevance score for near me keywords on Google Ads? Most of my normal keywords have an ad relevancy score of average or above average, but my near me keywords like pre-service need area all below average. Now to increase the ad relevance, you need to understand the concept of relevancy. Relevancy means relevant. Okay. Again, this also helps with quality score as well. I see the winning formula as relevant keyword with relevant ad with a relevant landing page. Okay, this is the exact formula. There is no magic sauce behind it. This is the only formula which works to increase your relevancy score. Now you know that I have given you hint, but let me go in explain detail to explain you the relevancy concept. Okay, what happens is because you are adding more keywords in all of the combined ad group, this could one of the reason. So I suggest you for your near me keywords, for each keyword have a different ad group with a dedicated ad for each near me keyword. So let's say in case if you have 7 near me keywords, what I am suggesting you for them is to have 7 ad groups with minimum of one relevant ad for each. Ideally add the word near me in your ad. Okay, try it and this can increase the relevancy on it. And then apart from this, I also suggest you to add the word near me in your landing page. Okay, in case if you can't add the word near me in your landing page, what you can do is you can create a separate landing page for these 7 keywords and have near me added in it. Okay, now what happens is that you are going to complete the formula of a relevant keyword with relevant ad with the relevant landing page. You gonna go with this relevancy, and this will certainly increase your relevance. Certainly increase your relevance for your ad for the specific keywords you are suggesting me. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. But still, in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. And guys, if you are looking for a professional with Google Ads audit setup or management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to make sure to help you in creating an awesome Google Ads campaign for you. So in case of Google Ads audit, setup, management, day ads, distribute, ad suspension, anything related to Google Ads, me and my team are specialized in this as we are a Google partner company. So do hire us and see your performance going up. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Take care and bye bye.